This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. I'm on their physical computing unit, and I'm working with Circuit Playground right now, and it is awesome. I got it set up and plugged in. Let's see what this is. All right. Using events. This program uses events. Look at the code with your partner. You're my partner, remember? Ta-da! And discuss what you think it will do. Once you have an answer, once you've answered the question, once you've answered the questions, click run to check it out. Now, as a teacher, I know, answer this carefully. When you hit run one, you can't change it until it is submitted to your teacher. So yeah, my students as well know that. Take it seriously and don't plagiarize. Do not copy my answer verbatim. I'm going to walk you through it and hopefully you can think of a good answer. On event, okay, so on an event, LED button click. So is the event the clicking of the LED button? Function event. I wonder what this parameter, this event thing is. And then what's going to run? Okay, so I know what a function is. So inside of this function is LED on. So at some point, this function's going to run and turn on the LED. Now, what's going to turn it on? On event, LED button, click. So maybe clicking the LED button will turn it on, whatever the LED button is. Oh, is it on this screen? Oh, you see how I'm hovering? Look what that says. ID LED button. I bet if I click that, the actual light here will be turned on my little computer chip. Let's see. On my circuit playground. All right, so, oh, enter an answer. So what I think it's going to do is clicking the button on the app screen. So clicking the button on the app will trigger the function to run this function. This will turn on the LED on the circuit playground, right? And remember, make sure to come up with your own answer. Make mine better or disagree totally, but let's try it. Boom. And it's on. But magic or code. That's cool. Let's keep going.